We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words, some of the most mispronounced ones in fact in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Well, in British English, because the American pronunciation is slightly different, this is said as caricature, caricature, so a ka sound as the first syllable, and you want to emphasize on this one, and the last syllable is a ch sound, not a t sound. Caricature. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as caricature, caricature, caricature. In American English, caricature, a k sound here, caricature versus caricature in British English. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.